Let's face it, your team is busy and can't afford PC productivity killers like hardware failures, system crashes, or the dreaded blue screen of death. Especially when working remotely. PC failures, even when occurring rarely, become a drag on employee productivity, uptime, and IT resources, especially when managing large asset fleets and adapting to new digital work streams. In fact, 77% of IT staff time is dedicated to maintenance and support, while 50% of IT professionals say they lack the resources to identify and solve issues. What if you could prevent common PC health and performance issues before they become issues? With the right digital experience monitoring solution, an IT department can optimize help desk costs while increasing employee productivity and satisfaction. Introducing Lenovo Device Intelligence. Assess, predict, prevent PC health issues at scale. The tool's proactive device insights lets teams look at the current problems affecting the fleet, as well as issues the predictive analytics engine flags as likely to occur. Over time, the tool gets more accurate as it monitors your organization's use patterns. Throughout, your company's sensitive data is protected and isolated behind a multi-layered security stack. Using the intuitive Lenovo Device Intelligence dashboard, teams can monitor the entire fleet or individual device PC health scores, dive deep for key metrics, and, for complex fleets, look at groups of devices you define to swiftly address issues in progress, and often before they impact devices. With Lenovo Device Intelligence, you'll reduce end-user downtime, kickstart productivity, and boost employee satisfaction. At the same time, you'll optimize costs with fewer help desk calls and less time spent diagnosing issues. Talk with your Lenovo representative to learn more. Smarter PC health across your fleet. Lenovo Device Intelligence.